Good morning! Today is a happy day. Do you know why? It is Heart Day, a day to be kind to all our friends.
1, 2, 3. I am picking flowers for my friends. They smell so sweet. Look at this big balloon. It is the color of a strawberry. I love it. I must look very pretty today. Jingle, jingle. My bell is ready for the party.
I have snacks. Big snacks for big friends and small snacks for small friends.
I can climb very high. Look at the hearts dancing in the wind.
Hold it steady, Pipo. There, a big red bow for our party tree.
I am an artist. This heart says welcome friends to everyone who comes.
Everything is red and pink. Our home looks so beautiful today.
I am making a secret card. It has a picture of a giant banana heart.
Glitter makes everything better. Sparkle, sparkle. This card is for Pipo. Meow.
I will say Happy Heart Day with my softest voice.
Folding paper is tricky, but I am trying my best for my friends.
Look at the sky. The party is starting. Come on, everyone.
Welcome to the Heart Day table. I am so glad you are all here. For you, Cali, you are a very fast runner and a very good friend.
Thank you, Momo. I love it.
Thank you, Momo. This card makes me feel very happy inside.
Happy Heart Day, Pipo. You are the kindest panda in the forest.
It is so shiny. Thank you, Bella. I will keep it forever.
I shared my treats with you. Let's eat together under the stars.
Look at me. 1, 2, 3 apples. Heart Day is so much fun.
Try some bamboo. It is sweet like sugar. Folding paper is tricky, but I am trying my best for my friends.
Clap your hands. Stomp your feet. It is time for the heart dance.
I am dancing, spin, spin, spin. I am a happy dancing panda.
Catch me if you can, Bella. Running is my favorite dance.
The moon is big and white. It looks like it is smiling at us.
I love my friends. Being together is the best gift of all. Happy Heart Day, everyone. We love you. Good night.